Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
Use the following command to install nginx, mysql, PHP and all required PHP extensions, along with Composer, Git and unzip. Configure the database, run the next command to create a new database user, database itself, use the next command to navigate to the web root and remove any old Cachet installation. Now run the following command to clone the repository from GitHub and set proper ownership. Use the following command to install all PHP dependencies using Composer, optimize it for production. Use the next command to copy the example environment file and run the following commands to update your environment settings, including app URL, database credentials and session drivers. In the app URL, you need to use your domain name or IP address. Run the following commands to create the required configuration folder and set ownership. Now use the next commands to generate the application key and publish Cachet assets, solving potential white issue. Run the next command to ensure the storage and Cachet folders have correct permission before database migrations. Use the following command to apply all database migrations and run the next command to clear the Laravel configuration cache. Use the next command to open a new nginx configuration file for Cachet and insert the following configuration, replacing the IP with your server IP or domain name. Now run the following commands to enable the site and reload nginx. Use the following command to create your first admin user. You will ask for login, mail, password, and that's it. Now open your browser and go by your site/dashboard to log in and start using your Cachet status page. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.